smartphone can use. Smartphones can also connect to the internet using a Wi-Fi network. To do this, the phone must be close to a Wi-Fi modem or transmitter. The modem or transmitter sends out a signal. If the phone has permission to connect to the network, it can pick up the signal and access the internet. Homes, schools, and hotels often have Wi-Fi networks. Chapter 3. Smartphone Parts. A smartphone's outer shell is called the casing. It holds all the phone's parts together. Most phones have a power button and volume control on the outside. Various ports are used for plugging in a charger, accessing files, or adding memory. Most smartphones also have a camera and a flash. The smartphone's hardware is inside the casing. An antenna sends out the coded signals to the nearest cell tower. Smartphones get power from batteries. Most use a lithium-ion battery. This battery is small, but it is powerful and long-lasting. It allows the phone to run for hours without being plugged in. It can be recharged, too. The battery powers the phone's circuit board. The circuit board controls the phone's computer. It is made up of several smaller chips. One chip contains the microprocessor. This part manages information. It also works the keyboard and display. Other chips store information. These parts hold the computer's read-only memory, ROM, random access memory, RAM, and flash memory. ROM cannot be changed. It is used to start up the phone. Flash memory can be changed. Like ROM, it stores information even when the phone is off. RAM is used to run software. The contents of this memory are lost when the phone is turned off. A microphone picks up the user's voice. When people speak, their vocal cords make the air around them vibrate. This generates a pattern of waves. The microphone captures this pattern and changes it into electrical signals. Then the microprocessor converts the signals into a series of zeros and ones, called binary code. Text and images can also be sent as binary code. The coded signals are picked up by another phone. The microprocessor in that phone converts the signals back into sound waves. Then the phone speaker puts out the sound. How it works. Touchscreen. Most touchscreens respond to electrical currents in the user's finger. These screens have several layers. The bottom layer is a liquid crystal display, LCD. The LCD shows words or images. Above the LCD is a layer of glass. A layer of clear material sits above the glass. This material conducts electricity. A small amount of voltage from the battery gives this layer a slight charge. Another thin, clear material is on top. When a person's finger touches the screen's top layer, the conductive layer's electrical charge changes. Sensors around the edge of the screen measure exactly where the screen was touched. They send a message to the microprocessor. Then the microprocessor responds to the command. Chapter 4. Tying it all together. Each smartphone has an operating system, OS. The OS is the main software program that runs the phone. It connects the display, keyboard, and other parts of the phone's system. It also runs the phone's other software, including the apps. The OS makes it easier for users to interact with the phone's computer. The OS translates computer code into easy-to-use graphics and text. Smartphones can use different types of operating systems. The Android OS and Apple's iOS are the two most common. The OS controls the phone's apps as well. Users download these programs from app stores. Apps show up as icons on the phone.